Look, you're working harder than ever, putting in more hours, but somehow at the end of the month, your bank account looks exactly the same. Or worse, it feels completely empty. For years, you've blamed yourself. You think you're just bad at managing money. But what if I told you you were being robbed right now, every single second? Welcome to the biggest legal heist in human history, a silent tax designed by the ultimate mafia boss, the government, to steal your wealth without ever breaking into your house. Today, we are going to expose exactly how inflation works and why your money is designed to lose. Let's look at the evidence. To understand the scam, you need to understand the currency. So let's imagine the entire global economy runs on just one thing: pizza. A few decades ago, the rules of the city were simple. $1 got you one giant delicious pizza. The worker put in his 8 hours, got his dollars, and bought his pizzas. Why did this work? Because the pizza boss, let's call him the central bank, only printed as many dollars as there were actual pizzas in the oven. The system was backed by reality. Everything was in perfect balance. If you saved $10 under your mattress, you knew that in 10 years it would still buy you 10 pizzas. But then the boss got greedy. He started making promises he couldn't keep. He needed to pay for wars, bail out his rich friends, fund his massive empire. And suddenly he ran out of real pizzas. So what does a desperate mafia boss do? He doesn't go bankrupt. No, he just creates fake money. He turns on the money printer and floods the streets with millions of brand new dollars. At first, everyone is happy. Look at all this free money, they cheer. But here is the brutal, dark truth. Printing more paper doesn't magically bake more pizzas. Now think about it. You have twice as much money chasing the exact same amount of pizza. What happens next? The shop owner realizes his supplies are running out faster, so he has to raise the price. Yesterday, your dollar bought a whole pizza. Today, it only buys half. This is the genius of the scam. When prices go up, who do you get angry at? You yell at the shop owner. You complain about corporate greed. You fight with your boss for a raise. Meanwhile, the mafia boss watches from his tower, completely hidden. He just stole 50% of your purchasing power to pay off his own debts, and you didn't even notice. That is inflation. It's not an accident. It's a hidden tax. The system is literally designed to punish you for saving cash. If you just leave your money sitting in the bank, the boss is quietly eating your pizza, slice by slice, every single year. To survive in this rigged city, you have to stop playing the victim and start playing the game. You have to put your money into assets the boss can't print, like businesses, real estate, or hard assets. But wait, how do you buy assets if you don't have the money? Well, the boss has a solution for that too. He will offer you a shiny piece of plastic called a credit card. But trust me, that's a whole different trap. We will expose exactly how that works in the next video. Hit subscribe, protect your pizza, and don't let the boss win.